Mukesh Ambani donated huge money. The business tycoon, richest man of India, Mukesh Ambani has always supported the nation in tough times. The whole nation is currently shut down for the outbreak of the virus around the world. People are asked to stay at their homes for 21 days by government to curb the spread of the virus. Many Bollywood celebrities have come forward to help the government in their fight against the virus. Several business persons of India, Ratan Tata, Anand Mahindra, Mukesh Ambani, has given financial support to the nation. Mukesh Ambani's Reliance Industries have donated a huge amount of money to relief fund to fight against the virus. The Reliance Industry made a tweet recently and declared that they are donating 500 crores to Prime Minister Citizen Assistance and Relief in Emergency Situation Fund. They donated huge amount of money for the mostly affected people by the shutdown of the nation. The richest man of India also declared that he will donate a hefty amount of 5 crores to the Chief Minister's Relief Fund of Maharashtra. The business tycoon has also revealed that he is donating 5 crores to the Chief Minister's Relief Fund of Gujarat. Recently, Reliance Industries' Twitter handle said that they will be donating those amounts for the greater good. They also added in press release that they will be providing free 50 lakh meals for the underprivileged people. The 50 lakh free meals would be provided for 10 days across the country during the shutdown. Reliance Industries have also decided to provide 1 lakh masks every day for the health workers and caregivers. Mukesh Ambani has also decided to provide personal protective equipment for the health workers and caregivers. Through his business, the richest man has decided to give free fuel services to notified emergency services across the country. Through telecom business of Jio, Mukesh Ambani is providing free internet services to thousands of organizations daily. This initiative was taken to support the ideas of work from home, study from home, health from home during the shutdown. Also, they have kept their stores of retail sale open to give people the daily essential things via stores and home deliveries. The chairman and the managing director of Reliance Industries recently said that he is quite sure that the situation will get better. The businessman has urged to the people of India to stay safe in their homes. Mukesh Ambani has also said that their Reliance Industry will do everything needful to help the nation in this situation of crisis. Founder chairperson of Reliance Foundation, Neeta Ambani, has said that they aim to feed lakhs of people every day with their meal program. She has also added their foundation will support the marginalized and daily wage communities in this tough time. Neeta Ambani has requested all the people to support this shutdown because it is the main step to prevent the spread of the virus. We, the team of Smoky Evening, request all the people to stay safely at home. It's a humble request from our side to you to donate as much as you can for a greater good from us for us. Leave your thought in comment section and subscribe our channel for more updates.